Sometimes you just need to detox, whether you've had a big night out on the town or you just thought it was a good idea to have ice cream for dinner all week. This simple blender recipe will have you all fixed up in no time. Start with enough water to cover the blade and get things juicing. Apples and lemons support your liver, while ginger is great for digestion. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and are terrific for your adrenal glands, which can take a licking when you're under too much stress. Beets are rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow, provide energy, and are reported to help lower blood pressure. Blend on high speed. Strain your juice into an empty container using cheesecloth or a nut milk bag. Pour over ice for a delicious, detoxifying pick-me-up. Thanks for watching. For more Howdini tips, click on the videos on screen and subscribe to our channel.